wa barakatuh. My name is Afreen and I am from class 9. Today I am here to present and tell her piece. عن أنس بن مالك رضي الله عنه قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم لا تقاطعوا ولا تدابروا ولا تباغضوا ولا تحاسدوا وكونوا عباد الله إخوانا ولا يحل لمسلم أن يهجر أخاه فوق ثلاث मुत्तफ़क़ अलैह। अनस बिन मालिक रज़ी अल्लाह अन्हु बयान करते हैं कि अल्लाह के रसूल सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने इरशाद फरमाया, आपस में बुग़्ज़ ना रखो, हसद ना करो, पीठ पीछे किसी की बुराई ना करो और अल्लाह के रसूल और अल्लाह के बंदे आपस में भाई भाई बनकर रहो। किसी भी मुसलमान के लिए जायज़ नहीं कि एक भाई किसी भाई से 3 दिन से ज़्यादा सलाम कलाम छोड़ कर रहे। मुत्तफ़क़ अलैह। Anas bin Malik radiallahu anh said that the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, do not harbor grudge against one another, nor jealousy, nor enmity, and do not show your backs to one another, and become as fellow brothers and slaves of Allah. It is not lawful for a Muslim to avoid speaking with his brother beyond 3 days. From this hadith, we get to learn that Islam considers all Muslims as brothers and sisters. And it gives us certain rules and regulations that how to live a life and treat with other Muslims. Like if we are brothers, then it gives us some rights, each other rights. And Islam teaches us to keep peace everywhere, and stay with love and harmony with everyone. This is one of the hadiths in which we are being taught that we should respect all our Muslim brothers and sisters. And we should not feel jealous for anyone, because jealousy destroys good deeds just like the fire destroys wood. And also backbiting, which is talking bad about people behind their backs, is one of the major sin. And if anyone practices this sin, then his all good deeds will give it to that person about he had said bad. Focus on your deen, was, blessings, and treat with another people in a good way, because Islam teaches us to stay with love and harmony. If you do this, then inshallah Allah will give you Jannah, and you will get success in this world and also in Akhirah, inshallah. Happy Republic Day to all, and thank you.